Okay, guys, once you have launched your test nav, you should go to the SOL practice items so you don't need to worry about signing in. Just click on the little pencil that says SOL practice items, go to the writing, find the end of course writing button and click on that. Go ahead and click start, agree to the terms, and continue. So you're going to be recording your answers on the Google form, but I just wanted to show you a bit of the tools that you can use as you're moving through these different questions. So the tools up here on the right help you move from question to question. You'll see some are drag and drop and others are, multiple choice. Some are adding punctuation. So there's different kinds of questions that you'll be asked. A couple things to note: you can bookmark a question, and then when you look at the questions you need to review, you can go back. So if you have questions about question 2 but you want to move on, just bookmark it, and then at the end you can go back to it and you'll know that it was there. Another thing you can do is use this answer eliminator box. So if you know that A and B are wrong, but you're just worried about, or A and C are wrong, but you're just worried about B and D, take out A and C, then go ahead and bookmark it. And when you come back, you won't have to look at those again, right? So you'll have a 50-50% chance of getting this right with good, clean eyes. Those are just some of the tools that you can use. You can also use the line reader to scroll down. So if it says, I'm asking you a question about sentence 5, you can move just to sentence 5 using that line reader tool. You can also hide certain answers, right? So you only see them one at a time. So it doesn't look so bad. So for example, if I had taken out 2 and 3 and scratched them out, when I come back, I can just hide them. So now I know I only have 2 to choose from. All right, those are some of the tools that you can use. The next video will talk a little bit about the tools for the essay.